Hello everyone, Grandma here. Happy Vlogmas. Today I'm making another dip from the Philly Dip Party Handbook. These dips are a big hit, so I'm making another one. This party handbook goes back to the 1950s. Today I'm making the Philly shrimp dip. The ingredients are 1/3 cup cream, but I'm using milk instead. 1 8-ounce package of cream cheese, 2 teaspoons of lemon juice, a 1/4 teaspoon of onion juice, but I'm using grated onion instead. A dash of Worcestershire sauce, 3/4 cup cooked or canned shrimp chopped. I'm using frozen salad shrimp that I cut into little pieces. I have my cream cheese in my mixing bowl, and I'm going to start adding the milk and incorporating it into the cream cheese. This helps to make a creamy dip. The cream cheese and the milk is all mixed together, and now I have to put in all the other ingredients. My lemon, my Worcestershire sauce, my onion, a little bit of onion, and now for the chopped shrimp. And now all you have to do is mix all this together, and this is going to be the shrimp dip. One thing, it smells like shrimp. To serve this shrimp dip, I'm using my beautiful Polish pottery winter scene platter. This was a gift from my friend Janet. Thank you, Janet. So let's put the dip on here, and we're going to add a little shrimp to the top to make it look nice and that people could know that this is a shrimp dip. I'm serving this dip with golden round crackers. We get these at Whole Foods, but they're similar to Ritz crackers. I'm going to use my Christmas tree spreader for this dip. How's it taste, Grandpa?
Let you know in a minute, Ma. Got a little shrimp there. I got some white stuff. Tastes good, Ma. Tastes the shrimp and cream cheeses. It kind of reminds me of a shrimp salad, but creamier.
Do you like it, Pa?
Yes, I do, Ma. Very good.
Do you like it on the crackers, or do you think it would be better on a potato chip?
No, I like it on the crackers.
I'm going to try it on a potato chip. It's got a nice light flavor, light and creamy flavor. I only wish I put more shrimp in it, but this is what the recipe said. When I make it again, I'm going to double the shrimp.
That's a good idea, Ma.
It's now the next day, and I had a little of this shrimp dip left over, so I put it in the refrigerator overnight, and I took it out and had a taste today, and it's so much better and more flavorful. I still would recommend adding a little more shrimp to it, but with this shrimp dip, I would recommend making it the day before you want to serve it. It's so much better refrigerating it overnight.